free mouth that we converted to class 1. These are the implants with the caps on. These are the fridge caps and the washers for those of them that the abutment is a little bit. And I ask you to bite down. Be very gentle, but bite down. Cut this out, okay? So don't move your tongue. I don't want to tap your tongue now. Bite down, grind teeth together. Bite down, grind teeth together. Congratulations, look at that. So, congratulations, Brenda. They look beautiful. Tell me how you feel. How was your journey?
The journey was a lot smoother than what I thought it was going to be.
Okay.
Very excellent bedside manner.
Okay, wonderful.
I love the doctor. I love Yossi. She's fabulous. The ladies in the office, very nice. The first surgery, I was completely very nervous, but when I woke up, it was like nothing had happened. I didn't feel anything. I was most nervous about the surgery, but that was the easiest part because I was asleep.
Okay.
I'm very happy. Yesterday was my birthday, so happy birthday
Oh,
to
happy
me.
birthday. Hey, that's a
Got brand new
belated
teeth
birthday
for my
present.
birthday.
Yeah.
I would say if you have a mouth like mine
That's no more. This is it,
Was.
yeah.
then definitely Dr. Zadeh is the doctor for you.
Okay, thank you. They look beautiful. You did really well. I know it's not easy to go through this process, but you needed it and you did it, and the result is excellent. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. So, congratulations.
Thank
Okay,
you very
great.
much.
Thank you.